Hello, everyone. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope your holiday was more than exceptional. Today, I have a diamond painting that nobody's ever seen before. Why? Because this is custom made. feelookart now does custom made DPs. So let's see which one they picked. Because I had to send in a couple pictures, and it's supposed to be a certain size. So let's see how they worked out. Sorry for all the mess. Had to try this like 4 times. And after this one, I have to do a Christmas one. Well, this is going to be, like I said, a product review of a custom VP. I still love the boxes. They're amazing. I'm never going to get rid of the boxes unless I want to, I don't know, do something special with it. My signature. Personal creation record. Start date. Completion date. Okay. You see right here, it says shadow on it. Like I said, you have to send in the picture, of course. We all know that. I hate doing these with no room. Hold on a sec. This looks like it's got a lot in here. Maybe they stopped using 2 bags for the new sets. I mean, they just started doing that. And don't cram stuff in, please. I'm gonna have a lot of these that coming my way too. Little plastic baggies, because these are on trains still. Kind of hoping they change that up. Little trays. Get 2 of them. I actually like the way this feels, and I like the fact that it's like cotton candy. 1, 2, 3, 4 wax pads, and I love the fact that they come in a little cute little container. You can put these on your baggies or whatever. Still not branded, but that's still cute. It's a soft purple. Oh, more baggies. Oh yeah, they definitely stuck that in. And we saw what they look like before. I'm not gonna open this because I'm done. I'm gonna put this back in. Nothing else, you'll have a nice, sweet collection of baggies. I'll just do this later. Way too much work. Let's check out the colors they have for my personalized DP. Where's the end of this thing? Ah, sorry, my laptop is in the way. I'm supposed to get my other computer back soon, but if I don't do it this way, I'll lose it. I'll get confused. Wow. Okay. I keep forgetting I have a remote control. I took pictures of a flower. I forgot what the name of the flower is. I'm not going to use the overhead light because it seems to screw up more often than not. Definitely earth tones. And yes, there's a lot of yellows in this particular picture. And yes, this is going to be on another channel, my product review channel. So the link is in my main page. So go and subscribe. Please help me out. And if you like what I'm doing, like how I'm doing it, like, share, subscribe. If you wish to do more, Christmas is around the corner. Okay. The piece de resistance. Oh, give me a break. Piece de resistance. Is that pretty or what? I think they're daffodils. Let me see if we can move this. It looks really nice. I mean, trust me, in person, it looks so much better. And wow, it's got 28 colors. I guess the AI can pick up a lot. Custom diamond painting. That's what it says on the bottom. Okay. So its design size is 50 by 50 centimeters, 19.17 by 19.17 inches. Fabric size is 58 by 58 centimeters, 22.8 by 22.8 inches. And this is new. I don't remember seeing this before. Eco-responsible canvas, made to last, made with care. No bleed, no waste, no compromise. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to put the light on. Yeah. I can see every single number and letter I have to do. None of it doesn't look too bad. It's not bad for a custom. Yes, I took this picture myself. And it looks like it's DMC coated. Definitely earth tones. Okay, so that's it for that one. I have to do another one for Christmas. So I hope you guys check that out. But meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links below and have a great day. Namaste.